My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus himself spoke of the many ways how his Father was at work during his lifetime and during the course of his short and yet fulfilling ministry. But we all know that this beloved Father and Son relationship grows and is true until for us, grows and is true for us until now. Kumikilos at buhay ang Diyos, mapanoon at hanggang ngayon. Maybe as you are hearing our first reading, something familiar resounds in you. It ended with the city of Zion telling the Lord, nakalimutan na ba kami ng Diyos? And we've heard the response of the Lord. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang kanyang anak? Even she should forget, I will never forget you. My dear brothers and sisters, believe it or not, big or small, God is working at each and every one of us. The mere fact that we are all here, you are enjoying or busy doing your work, you are studying, you have at least the sum of all the blessings that you have been working for, your health, your family, you are able to pray, and to many things that we are doing and what we have, these are but signs that God is at work in us. The work that Jesus is reminding those in front of him, the Jews. And when God is at work in us, God is mindful of us. He works and blesses us because it will be a curse on God, it will be a curse for him not to do it for us. Forgetfulness is not of God. Kumikilos ang Diyos sa pag-aalaala sa atin ng Diyos. Kaya po tayo nabubuhay ngayon. Kaya may pagpapatawad ang Diyos. Kaya may pagkakataon na binibigay ang Diyos dahil inaalala tayo ng Diyos. Buhay tayo dahil inaalala tayo ng Diyos. We have blessings big or small because God never forgets. We have enough in our hands because the Lord remembers. We are forgiven, we have peace, we have healing, or maybe on our way to healing because the Lord is mindful of us. And hopefully, let this be consolation enough to each and every one of us. Hindi niyo po ba masukat isipin sa dinami-dami ng tao, sa dinami-dami ng nilikha ng Diyos, kada tao, kada nilikha, hindi nalilimutan ng Diyos. Nasa alaala po tayo ng Diyos, kaya hindi tayo mawawala sa puso ng Diyos. And as we are in His heart, He will be there to work everything out for us, just to bless us and give us life. Again, this is something we wish to celebrate in this time of Lent. A God who never forgets, a God who is ever mindful of us. Kung madaling makalimot ang tao, ibahin po natin ang Diyos. Kalimutan man po tayo ng mga taong mahal natin, ang Diyos, lagi tayong aalalahanin at hindi tayo lilimutin.